brand new York system here, just installed a week ago, and it stopped working. So it's under warranty, but it's a Sunday. Nobody lives here. The house is empty. It's for rent. And I didn't call them out, but I'm getting a six flashing red lights. So if I turn the thermostat off and on, it attempts to start running. The exhaust fan starts up and then it just shuts itself down. So I need to look online. Maybe see if it's something simple I can kind of get going. Maybe a button here for the door that's not letting me. Yeah, right here maybe. I don't know what that means, but yep. So anyway, brand new system installed. Not working. So let me go try to find out what the code is and I'll come back. Okay, I removed both covers. And 5 red flashes. It says flame rollout or open fuse. So this is probably, by the way I turned the power off on the furnace, there is power going to it obviously. I did, I see one fuse here. It looks good. It's good to me. So I'll put that back. Sorry, there's not much light. I don't see any of the fuses. I'm probably not even I know I'm not qualified to do this, but so I don't know, it's just a shame that a furnace not even a week old is not working. So let's put it back together and see what happens again. Well guys, I got it working. You're never gonna believe this. But let me, I know it's not going to let me do this, but what the problem was, this main harness right here was not pushed in all the way. So I was just checking all the connections. And I pushed it in, it clicked, and I went upstairs and turned it on. And that's what the problem appears to be. So, that's it. That's what the problem was. The installer didn't push in the wire harness. It was just barely making contact. So we'll see how it works through tonight and tomorrow. This was my grandmother's house, so we're renting it out. Furnace that was in it was a 1968 Sears Home Mart, which checked out fine every year, and the previous tenants didn't tell me that there was a backup. The power for the air conditioner, and it leaked into the furnace all summer, and it pretty much rusted everything out, including the heat exchanger. So it was time for a new system. But so far, everything's working okay. Sometimes the simplest thing